Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe. Welcome to Boonville, New York. It's Friday at the New York State Woodsman Field Days in Boonville, New York. Guys, we are all set up and we're ready to run some machinery. Let me take you for a walk through our booth and show you what we brought. We got a little bit bigger space than we had last year. And I'll start on the left-hand side here. We've got an IC16 feeding into a 35C. And this is a 35C that was ordered with the optional hydraulic oil cooler package on it. You can see that right there. Right here, SS3030 HT skid steer splitter. The big DC10C with the biggest hopper that we offer for it. Guys, take a look at this thing. I'm gonna come back behind here, and you can get a loader bucket in from this side and dump it in there. It's got an attached conveyor on it. The 17VS Power Beyond Custom Color Ocean Blue. This thing turned out awesome. Looks a lot different in different lights. Right now the sun is shining pretty good on it. Looks more of a turquoise then. Got some rounds ready for that. Split of 600 is here. Got some rounds for the 600. Didn't have quite enough room to bring our IC16 and the FC16 for the 600. So we just brought the machine, and what we're going to do again is stack up all of these splits to show you exactly what came off of this split of 600. So anything that comes out of here, we're gonna stack in a row, probably right behind here, so we can show exactly what you're gonna get out of a machine like that. We've got a 17VS. It's already sold back in the corner here, so we're not gonna run that one. GLTPA 365 TR Basic. That means tractor PTO powered. Got a lot of nice ash logs for this thing. And this is set up with the optional hydraulic log lifter on it. So you can see that telescopes outward, and you can do like a 12 to 16 foot long log using that log lifter. But I should have brought the optional power feed roller, because this one is an idle roller. So when we get these really long ones on there, it needs a little bit of extra help from someone on that end. But this will run off of a tractor PTO, and you might see there's no tractor here. That's because we are using a PTO power pack. Now this is something that GLTPA and Hockey Pilkey both used to sell. They don't anymore. But I have that for our shows and for demonstrations. So we can run any of our GLTPA PTO powered firewood processors with this machine. I don't think it'll power a 505, but it will for sure power a 405 and anything smaller than that. So this is really handy at the shows. People often ask if we sell this. We don't, and we won't. It's not economical. It makes more sense to buy a small tractor than have this PTO power pack at this point in time. But here you can see the back side of the machine. We just have the PTO shaft, and then the hydraulic oil cooler will plug into the power pack as well. And we'll walk down the other side here. Dave is kind of shining everything up, putting all the product info sheets on things. We've got a 17XS here. Somebody ordered in black. So it kind of looks like a little brother to the Pro X. Pretty cool looking machine here. Bunch more ash rounds there. Then we've got a 35HO in red. Standard configuration. I'll walk around the other side here. Got everything warming up for the day. 35 SHO in gray, standard configuration as well. The SHO includes the 4 and the 6-way wedge, as well as V-twin engine, hydraulic oil cooler, 28 Pro X. Some nice wood to run through this thing. Pro X has auto cycle, hydraulic log lift, hydraulic wedge height, electric start, very well-rounded machine. And I'll back up here, give you another overall view of the booth before everything starts happening here. We got all the machines warming up right now, getting the hydraulic fluid circulated, warmed a little bit, and we're gonna make some firewood. It's set to be 80 degrees here today, and I'm gonna do my best to get some good coverage in this video for you guys to show you what we're up to this entire weekend. made a pile with the 17XS, the 35HO, 35SHO, 28 Pro X up there, and we've been getting a lot done with the 35C up here with the IC16. Pile we've made with the 17 VS Power Beyond, and then the Splitta 600 has been busy back there as well. Everything that is stacked here in front of the Splitta 600 has been made with the Splitta 600. So we're stacking it up separately again, like we did at the International Expo, and we have the chaff and debris separated. So we've got the good firewood, the debris sitting there. Got a Kinlet 200 over here, and the YAPA 365 basic. We burned through a bunch of logs with this yesterday, and we're basically making boiler wood with this machine, just running the 4-way in it. And you can see big splits. This is not what I would be selling out of my bundle stand, but this is some nice boiler wood. It's Sunday afternoon now, and we were extremely busy Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday morning, this morning, we got a ton of rain. So I didn't have a lot of extra time to show the machines running, but we did split a bunch of firewood, and we had a lot of great people in and out of our booth. I'll take you on a walk around now and show you what's left in our booth and the firewood that we made. Right here is where we had the 28 Pro X. Didn't run that a whole lot. 35 SHO we ran a bit more, and this 35 SHO, at least at the time of this video, will still be available for pickup now at our next show, the GLTPA Expo in Green Bay, Wisconsin. That's a gray 35 SHO, and that comes with the 4-way and the 6-way wedge. Here is where we had the 35HO, a red one. That went out. And here is where we had the 17XS. And this XS is getting picked up yet today. We had the YAPA 365 TR Basic running back here. And we still got some logs. Gonna run some more yet. Here's some of the wood that we made with the YAPA. Splitta 600, we ran a bunch, and we purposely left the chaff and debris here. There are still some good kindling pieces in here that I would probably stack as well, but we intentionally left that pile there so you could compare and contrast with the pile of good wood that we made with it right here. And this is some awesome looking bundle grade firewood. The Ocean Blue 17 VS Power Beyond. This is Tim Elmendorf's. Big thanks to him and his wife Abby for hanging out with us this weekend. And he's taking this one home with him. He ordered this probably 3 or 4 months ago now, and scheduled it for pickup here at the Boonville show and let us use it and demonstrate it. That color just looks awesome. The pictures and videos don't do the color justice, but it looks really good, especially in the sun. Here's some of the firewood that we made with that. And the big disc cleaner. This is getting picked up here towards the end of the day. So that's going to be heading out the door. And this SS3030 HD, at least at the time of this video, this machine is still available and could be picked up at the GLTPA Expo. We've got a little bit more firewood to split, and then we are going to start packing things up and making our way home. The next event on the schedule for Wolfe Ridge is the GLTPA Expo in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I'll leave a link for that in the description of this video. If you'd like more information on any of the Wolfe Ridge products, including our pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, and of course that event schedule, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. You can always give us a call or send us an email. I want to thank you all for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.